Shadow battle.
Shadow. The shadow been scared since we had got our bird cage and the table.
That's the new bird cage.
He is afraid. He was yelling at Courtney saying, "Why did you put this in there?" We're gonna see what he do once we put this on her. See what happens. He grabs it. Is he gonna take it with him? He normally takes it with him.
He like, I'm trying to get over.
He chooses
Nah.
to stay here.
He like, I'm trying to get over my fear. Oh, Tattle. You got over the Roomba. And we have a new table. Kitchen table. New chairs. Tattle. We trying to get him over his fear. Oh. Oh, baby.
He's scary, but he okay. Right? He gonna be okay.
Shadow has little emotional issues, but he's working through them. He's just tired of the humans, his folk, constantly bringing new stuff up in the house. He's like, ugh, I get used to the stupid vacuum now. I gotta get used to a stupid cage. What's going in there? That's how he look like. What's going in there? What's gonna go in there? I know y'all gonna bring something else suspect up in here. Did you just do a little low growl like I know? Oh. The boy Tattle is just stressed out a little bit.